Hi friends, today we are going to see why you need cloud, basically cloud computing. To understand that, we are going to see what is traditional infrastructure right now. So in your traditional infrastructure, you will have something called server, operating system, database, network, okay, and you will have operations team to maintain it. Okay, so this traditionally you will be maintaining all this server, OS, database, network, and you going to pay no you're going to pay in upfront, and you're going to set up the servers, and you're going to ensure the high availability, scalability, everything. Okay, this is an upfront cost, but whereas in cloud you just going to buy a instance which is just for 1 hour. Okay, which you are going to pay for the instance hour, and this will cover your OS license cost, or if you are choosing your RDS or some database services, then it will also your network cost, and it will also take over your operation cost. So all this will be taken over by the hourly charges of the instance. And here in traditional data center, we need to do the regular maintenance of patching, and we need to always make sure we need to have upfront cost, because if new project is coming, you need to have the compute power, you need to have your servers ready, so you will purchase more capacity uh, for the application, whereas in cloud you are going to just purchase what is required. In case it is required more, you are going to make new instance. So here you can say scaling is very easy. So scaling is just increasing your capacity whenever increase the capacity as required in cloud computing, right? So in cloud computing you can increase your capacity whenever it's required, whereas in traditional you need to be always upfront in requirement, otherwise you cannot initially do the scaling. And whereas you also have something called auto scaling in cloud, which will monitor your environment and add the instance whenever your compute power goes high. Then you going to have a high maintenance cost. Here you are going in cloud, the maintenance cost will be low, and you will get support from cloud cloud providers, right? So whereas if you face any issues or anything, you will get from the cloud provider. So here you can you can decrease the hardware, decrease the infrastructure when required. So you can just go and decommission some servers when it is required, and you can add it back. Whereas whereas increase in sorry whereas decrease in hardware not going to give you cost benefit, right? Basically cost benefit, because you are whereas you are already maintaining it on your own, and you are going to still, but there will be some minor operational cost will be reduced, but still there is not going to be a cost benefit. But whereas in cloud, decreasing your infrastructure will going to be cost benefit, right? Then you can plug and play new technologies with your application, like like IoT or machine learning. which is very easy, right? When cloud, you can plug and play, you can make your application plug and play with this IoT and machine learning concept. Whereas here you need to set up again a dedicated host or server for those machine learning. You need to set up the machine learning infra on your own, right? So in current situation, you need to go with a lot of scalability and a lot of new issues. So if you have your project on cloud, you can plug and play with a lot of things, and you also may able to get lot of best practices in cloud. How to set up your environment, how you can use a load balancer, how you can use DNS, how you can use this one. So these are something where we need to go to cloud, because it is for today's business things. It gives more value for your applications, and it supports lot of container and lot of serverless infrastructure, where if you go to cloud you have serverless service. So which will make your application to run on API base, like you will be paying only for the API based serverless service where there is no compute power. uh, so whereas in um, on-prem you need to set up your own infrastructure, and you need to pay. So these are the some of the points where why we need to go to cloud. If you think about cloud, or you want to stay with the traditional data center, still its choice is yours. No one going to force us. It depends on our application and our things. But if you think where I can go for traditional, if you data on your own region. So cloud has limited region, right? Data on your own region due to law law and compliance. Then definitely if cloud, if in your region that cloud is not there, then you need to stick with on-premises solution, where no, if you have GDPR or such concerns. So there is there you should always if it always fits if you go for hybrid way of design, where you can run partially on your on premises on as well as in your cloud. So this is my some view where why we need to go to cloud, and when where we need to go to on premises. I this I think I hope I try to make some clear points over here. If you don't understand it, please try to comment so that I can help you out. And if you like my video, please like, and if you want to follow me, please subscribe. Please follow my videos. Thank you so much. Bye.